Welcome back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju. Today I'm going to be showing you a craft. Do you know which craft it is? Since it's December and it's like basically 3 days until Christmas, I'm really excited. I hope Santa brings me lots of presents. Oh, that's why I love Santa. The presents are my favorite. So, I got candy cane. I really love this t-shirt. I made it. This is my first time wearing it. It makes it live forever. So, do you want to see how Santa Claus looks before we get started? Let's see how this craft looks. Really like him. He has little 2 feet. He has a belt. He has a big stomach. He has a little beard. He has a little hat. Looks so cool. I really like him. So let's start making him. So these are the supplies you need. Not a candy cane. So you're just gonna set that to the side. Just gonna eat it. You need a stapler, or you can use some glue, a Sharpie, or a pencil, a glue stick, scissors. You also need a white sheet of paper, red sheet of paper, and a little bit of the yellow. We are not going to use that much of yellow because it's just for the belt. So here's a little piece. So let's get started. I'm really excited. So that's my gingerbread. So let's get started. Okay. So first we're going to take a red sheet of paper. I'm red. And we're going to cut out like a half of it. So I feel like this is about the half. So I'm going to start from here. You might want to take the biggest piece you can find. I don't feel like that's the half anymore. So this is so I got my half. It looks super red. And I'm gonna fold it so I can have it equal. You can always ask an opponent to help. You can hold it like this and someone can help you fold. And you're gonna open it back up and you're gonna cut on that fold. So there. So we're gonna fold this into like thirds. Like you might want to leave a little and take it out and cut on the fold. Remember, not too much of a fold. A little. It has to be flat so you do not get it uneven. Okay, we're going to set this to the side. Look at this. Bam! Bam! Okay, so we're going to set the smaller part to the side. And we're going to take this big part and we're going to fold it. You can use glue to attach it, but I'm actually using a stapler. And the glue stick is for other parts like the belt to glue on. So I have stapler. Okay, I'm going to kind of do it like this. Oh, this is super hard. Okay. And when you already made the first staple, you can let it go. So I was like, let it go. It's also a icy one. So we just got ourselves a nice little body. Now we're gonna set this cylinder to the side. Looks so cute. And we're gonna take the other smaller part that we just split apart. And we're gonna fold it like a cylinder again. So we're gonna staple it good. Oh, one staple done. One more to go. There, now you have 2 nice cylinders. Now we're gonna take our white sheet of paper. Wow! Because for the face. The face not to be. So guys, here's our white sheet of paper. So we're gonna fold it because we just need a little. So we only want 1 paper. Because if you got 2, the other papers can become to waste. Do we want that? No, we're trying to help the earth. And here we go. Fit nicely. we got a nice square piece of paper. We're gonna keep the other two to the side, and we're gonna fold it. Look at that face. You can always trim it whenever you want. And time to staple. A couple of days back, it snowed, and the snow, basically, a lot of the snow is still here. Well, maybe like 2 weeks back or something. So we made the face. Look at this. Nice, huh? Now it's time to staple them together. So you're gonna take these two parts. You don't want these showing, do you? So we're gonna keep it like that. Keep together. Alright. And we're gonna staple them. Give it a try. Okay, so we got one to go. And here we go for the second one. Okay, so now this is done. Now, so this is just the body. Now it's time for the face. Do you want a Santa Claus that doesn't have a face? Then where is he gonna watch to climb the chimney? Nice joke, huh? I don't think anyone's laughing right now. Okay, now time to. So we got that staple in. Now time for the other side. I think I can do it. Okay. So now we made the body and the face. So take a black piece of paper, like a cube, and let's cut the feet. We're gonna kind of smoothen the ends out first, because we want the feet nice and smooth, don't we? You don't want the sharpness. Now, starting from the side, you're gonna start cutting out that shape of the feet. So we're gonna start from here. You can kind of curve it again, and go in, and go like that, and go back out. This is what we want. It's smooth, because we already have a head start. Perfect. Now, put all the scraps to the side. We don't want that. Let's keep our feet and staple them in. Santa Claus does need to have feet, right? Of course he does. So we got that feet done. Next. The feet are done. So now let's make Santa Claus a nice cute face. Just like the Santa Claus. So we're going to take our Sharpie. It can be any type, but I'm going to make my Santa Claus's face blue. I like blue, so I'm going to choose blue. I also like pink, but I think blue's the best. So here are that. And make the nose. Instead of making the smile, we need to make the beard, then the smile. And for the beard, we need white piece of paper. And you cut a cube out of it. Just like that. We're going to take a small piece of that cube into another cube. And we're going to cut. So smoothen it out. Okay, this is not gonna go well. It's cutting at 2 feet. That went so well! So, this went super well. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more. I'm just moving all the trash to a side. And now, instead of stapling, we're going to be using a glue stick. I'm going to make a little long beard. So take our glue stick. Oh, that is super hard to take out. And you're going to be taking that beard. And you're going to be placing it under the nose. Just like that. Does it look cute without a smile? No. So let's make the smile. Right on the beard. Because Santa Claus has a smile on the beard. Next, let's make a hat. Woo! Or he's gonna be bold. I'm gonna be using a red piece of paper. And with that red piece of paper, we're gonna be drawing a hat. I'm gonna be using a Sharpie. You can use a pencil. But first, we're gonna make like the pom-pom. It's a circle. And starting like in the middle of it, we're gonna make like a nice mountain line. If you look at it for that way, it's like a nice mountain line. Or if you look at it this way, you can just draw a nice mountain. And starting from the upside, you're gonna make like a nice curve down. Now let's attach it together. Now it's time to get snippy. And I got a nice hat. But before you attach the hat, you might want the white stripe. You can't really see the white stripe for me, unless if you really put down. You're gonna take a white piece of paper, and you can cut out like a very thick line. Because when we like fold it, it's not gonna show up, so you might want like a thick piece. It's okay if it just comes out because we're gonna trim it to a curve shape. Look at that, I just made that line. Doesn't that look cool? And you can like kind of see that shadow. Yeah. We're gonna do something like that. We're gonna like cut it by the shadow. I'm gonna start from like here. You can always ask a grown-up if you're too young. I think you can get it out like that. Please don't be good, please be good, please be good. There. So look at this. You can always use dots. Like dot over here, dot over here, dot over here, and stick. And nice. Nice. Get our nice hat. It looks super cool. I'm making the hat different ways this time because I really like it this way. So you don't glue it like this immediately, or it's not gonna like stay on. So we're gonna fold it a little, like a thin line. Like this is gonna happen. We fold, time to take the glue out again. And then stick it goes. Better than my last time. So now what is missing in the Santa? What is missing in the Santa? Okay, now look at this Santa and look at this Santa. The belt. So we're gonna take a black piece of paper. So we're going to take a little piece of black paper and the scissors. You might want like a thick line here. So I got my strip. We're not going to glue the strip yet because we still need the belt buckle. So we're going to like take the yellow piece of paper I mentioned earlier. We're gonna like fold it into a nice cube, cut it out, and with that, you're gonna cut another cube out, but smaller. You can take that small cube and fold it. And with the fold, you can cut like another cube. Oh, there's so many cubes. Oops. It is pretty snappy here. You're gonna cut it. And you're gonna cut it. We're gonna take that out. Oops. It's in my hair. And here comes the magic. Voila. Look at that. That looks super cool. Now we're gonna take your glue stick. Here. So there we go. It is time to glue the belt buckle. I don't know why I just keep looking like taking the Santa instead of this one. So here we go. This is gonna look so nice. And the Santa is finished. So this is our Santa Claus. Little kids, I hope you really try this out. You can have a little buddy with you. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!